Sun on the dash, coffee and paper, map folded up, I don't even need to.
Si Commodore Lloyd Casio.
Small town signs, names I'll probably soon forget. Still I'm sure this is where I'm meant to head. I trust the turns I take, even when the road feels strange. Every little choice I make keeps carrying me on my way. I don't have to see the end to know I'm gonna be okay. Step by step, awake, I trust the turns I take. Ooh. Old mistakes sit in the rearview glass. They wave back, but I just let them pass. Rain might fall, wipers keeping quiet time. Still this wheel feels steady in my hands. Tonight I trust the turn.
Alright, never morning! Ayan, galit na. Okay. So, welcome po sa Motorrad Alley pa. My name is Jeff. So, I'm the Sales and Marketing Manager handling this facility. So, as a background po, nasa Motorrad Alley po kayo. Sino pong first time dito sa Motorrad Alley pa? First time. Alam ko, karamihan. Okay. Attendance check tayo. Mag-ingay tayo. Mag-ingay, mga taga-NCR! Okay. Mga local delicacies namin like bonete and yung panditabla and yung mga pinito namin. And of course, kaping barako isa. Matapang! Okay, so again, welcome po sa Motorrad Alley pa. Sa mga postings po natin, pasuyo na lang po kami, pa-follow po ang Unimar Lifestyle page and pa-hashtag na lang po yung aming mga stores. So without further ado, we may request also for some messages from our master. Okay, Sir Hans, palapakan po natin for opening. Thank you.
Good morning, Motor Republic family. So guys, alam niyo naman, kaya tayo nandito lahat ngayon. Thank you kay Jet, thank you kay Mel. Sila yung mga head dito sa New Nemar Motorrad Alley. Thank you rin kay Chef Jessie. Si Chef Jessie ang nakipag-coordinate sa New Nemar para magawa itong second meet and greet natin this year sa second quarter. So alam niyo naman guys, every quarter plano natin magkaroon ng meet and greet. And the reason kung bakit meron tayo meet and greet is because last year, nung nag-usap-usap ang mga ride directors ng Motor Republic, napag-agrihan natin na gusto kasi natin ang Motor Republic is one big family. So,
Okay, thank you so much everyone. Thank you Motor Republic for coming over. It's a pleasure for us na tanggapin kayo dito. Welcome na welcome kayo anytime. Dito sa Motorrad Alley pa, of course, by Unimar and Lifestyle. Thank you, Motor Republic. 74 from Nuvali. Napinulog po kanina ni Cesar Smith, Master Hans, Mr. Jesse. Kahit ako na-surprise ako, ibabalik ko sa kasi naman Master join us please,
Luto! Kulto! Kulto! Kulto!
Picture ko tayo, picture ko. Luto! Hindi tayo tayo sila.
Wave na wave! Wave! Wave!
Trust the turns I take.
Okay, ready, picture. One.
Tama ka na, Jesse! Luto! 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 Luto!
Congratulations everyone, ride safe po. Once again, thank you so much. Moto Republic, in behalf of UNMR and Lifestyle, ride safe po tayo. And stay safe. Thank you everyone. May pagkain pa po sa loob, kakain din. Thank you guys, familiar faces. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Mag-organize kayo, mananalo kayo. Hindi, pero bunot to, bunot, Papi. Si Master bumunot. Thank you nyo naman. Thank you. Cardo. Sa may bibili, benta ko na to.